this, the English Electric Lightning. I think this is the first time I've ever flown this in a video. So we are equipped with these red top missiles here, and we're gonna fight. And I was like, hey, well, I fought F-14 tomcats multiple times, so hey, why not 2? So there's one there, there's one there. We'll see how this goes. This is a 3rd generation aircraft against two 4th gens. This would really not be very possible if it weren't for the fact that X-Plane's AI sucks at dogfighting. So yeah, because of that, I think I have a chance. Yeah. So we're just gonna climb here. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Don't know why my radar is so cluttered here. Because I haven't armed my missiles yet. Okay, just gonna arm up both. Oh, you can't really do one. Okay, I actually have this F-14 over here. Let's lock him up. Fire. And he's also shot a missile at me. Ooh, that was an arrow miss. I think that was a Phoenix. Seems that most of the time when they miss their missiles, it is a Phoenix that they shot. Ooh, splash 1 F-14. That's a good kill. You see? Shoot this dead F-14. Nah. I don't really care. Ooh. That other guy's got some problems. Where is he? Where is he? Ah, he's over there. He pulled onto my 6 while I was over there. Arming my missiles. Pull it down a bit to avoid me. I think he might be shooting at me. Yeah, it's a shot. Where is he? I think that ate the chaff. Because you see the chaff going right there, and the missile went right to the right. Okay, my missile seems to be tracking. Splash 2 F-14. Okay, that was really easy for some reason.